Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can factory reset your Elgato Key Light Mini. Might be useful if you're having problems with it. It's going to wipe it back to factory settings, so the Wi-Fi will be reset along with the other settings as well. There's a little reset button just at the side here, there's a little hole, so you're going to have to get a SIM removal tool or a little paper clip, and then you're going to be inserting it in here and you need to hold it down for 10 seconds when it's on. You will feel there's a little button, a little clickable button, just in here. So I'm going to turn it on and then I'm going to face it the other way, otherwise you're all going to be blinded. So I'll hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and now we're going to hold it in. So what's going to happen is it's going to, after about 10 seconds, it's going to flash 3 times. You can then let go of the button and then it's going to turn itself off and back on again. So you ready? I'm going to press it in now. So 10 seconds, that's about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. You can see it flashing. So that means it's been reset. So now we can take it out and then it's going to turn itself off and then it's going to turn itself back on again. And there we go. That is it. It has now been reset. So that's how to factory reset your Elgato Key Light Mini. Hopefully now when you set it up again, the problems that you previously had will now be gone. Thanks for watching.